Okay, today we're going to initiate Lesson 2 in Sorting in Report Builder, the web-based sorting. And last time you saw user interactive sorts, and I believe we also covered document maps in that one. Today we're going to show you two things. Number one is how to do a defined sort descending by an aggregated value, which is one of our pre-calculated metrics, closed incidence. And then number two, we're going to show you how to create a toggle so that I can expand. You'll see what that means. It's probably easier to show than explain. Okay, so first I'm going to create my query. We're going to do incident management, and we're going to choose closed incidents. Okay, you notice we have 91,000 of them. I'm going to bring in a couple of my hierarchies: operational categorization, product categorization. Okay, and since there are 91,000 of them, this will run in probably around 30 seconds or something like that. But since we don't have time in our video today, we're going to go ahead and bring in the priority as a filter. Make it a parameter, so if we choose to change our mind later, we can do that. So we're just going to show the critical incidents. Click on next. Okay, so we're starting simple. Closed incidents here by operational categorization. This is remedy. In ServiceNow, that would be just called category out of the box and subcategory. Okay, so we run it and we notice that we have unsorted data. Okay, so we want to sort that. Now, rather than going to the text box properties as like we did last time for the user interactive sort, we're going to go to the group properties. We're going to go to the sorting, I'll call it tab. Now we want to sort by the value closed incidents. Problem here, number one, it's not descending. I like descending to show me the most closed incidents at the top. And number two, it's unaggregated. So we're going to add in an aggregation here, sum, put parentheses, left parentheses, right parentheses. If you need to see the formatting, this is an aggregate function. We can see some examples here. That's a helpful little tip when you're creating your first formulas here. Okay, so we'll click OK. And now you'll see that we have our data sorted, descending for closed incidents, top to bottom. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to expand that categorization tier, and I want to see the product categorization beneath it. So I'll drop in the product categorization now. So, and what I want to do, if I want that to happen, I need to go to the child group here. The child is product categorization, the parent is tier 1. So I go into the child and I choose hidden equal to true now. So it doesn't show up on the report until I tell it to by toggling categorization tier 1. Okay, it's pretty simple. So I just click on run. And there we go, we have our toggle. And now when I click expand, there we go. We see product categorization tier 1. So now I've brought in my product with my operational categorization. Again, you could do that with category, subcategory, CI, really any text field that is in the same scope. That's what they call it, scope. Like I couldn't do this with a date in a text field. I mean, I could. It would just require more effort, and I couldn't do it here as easily as we just showed you. So, a couple of things to keep in mind. This is the end of lesson 2 on sorting. I hope you've enjoyed it, and let us know if you have